It's been just over a week since the launch of the healthcare enrollment site, and despite numerous glitches, the White House says millions have visited the site. Yet the White House refuses to release any actual numbers for how many have signed up for Obamacare. Joining us now, we've got Grover Norquist, president of the Americans for Tax Reform. Thanks for being with us, Grover. So you've started a new website to prosecute this case, and I believe the web address is ObamacareCoverup.com. Them's fighting words. Do you really think it's a cover-up going on here, or is it just cluelessness?
No, clearly the government knows how many people have signed up. They've chosen not to tell us. Now, I understand why they keep secrets about wiretapping, Americans and so on secret. They don't want the Russians to know or the Syrians to know. But why you would keep secret how many people have signed up for a government program that we're all paying for? There are 20 new taxes to pay for Obamacare. You may think you have health insurance and therefore this Obamacare is about other people, not you. You're paying for it. So every American has the right to know what's going on. There's no reason to fib on this one. There's no reason to hide this information.
Right.
We tell doctors you're not allowed to lie to patients, and now the government decides it's going to be the doctor. It's got to stop.
Right.
fibbing.
Now, I believe the White House came out and they said, hey, you know what, guys, we're going to announce monthly numbers, not daily numbers here, monthly numbers.
Yes.
Do you think that was a sign that they're a little embarrassed that it's a teensy number right now and they want to wait to get a bigger, higher number in a month?
It's a little bit worse than that, because they didn't tell you when they would start announcing it monthly. They announced it would be announced monthly. Could start 6 months from now. There wasn't a timely follow-up questions like, when are you making the first monthly announcement?
I see. Yeah.
And the White House says that the health secretary is doing it, and when the Health and Human Services secretary goes on the Jon Stewart comedy show, she doesn't know anything. So they're really playing hide the ball here.
Yeah.
And there's no reason to.
Yeah.
No good reason to.
We're in day 10 since these exchanges went up, and I think the federal government is operating 36 of them. And I always wondered how the federal government would do it running websites when that's not its core competency. What would be a number of successful signups in 10 days that would make you say, wow, that's really impressive? And then tell me what you think the number really is.
Well, the government's own numbers are that they need 7 million to sign up in the next 6 months. In order to have 7 million, their goal for next year, all of 2014, they need the last 3 months of this year, the first 3 months of next year, to get 7 million. So a little more than 1 million per month, which would mean we've been at this for about a third of a month.
Yeah.
You'd want a third of 1 million.
330,000, good. Okay. And what do you think the real number is, Grover?
They're not there.
Oh, they're nowhere near there, right?
No.
All right.
No.
All right. Well, good luck with your campaign. Seems a little bit of moving off of your core competency yourselves. I mean, you're tax reform, and this is health care, but I guess tax reform has to fund the health care.
Because we are paying 20 new taxes, this is a tax issue.
Bingo. All right. Thanks very much for being with us today. Grover Norquist.